So here's what we have, and I'm gonna be doing more cutting today. I need to cut the entire rear section of the floor off. So I already have the basic of the roll cage done, so I'm not worried about it losing any geometry. And it's also tacked to this frame table. I have also tacked these two supports in the back, so when I will cut the entire floor off of the trunk. Well, this was pretty intense. There's a lot of cutting, and now we have this. A lot of room to work with. One thing I have discovered is that this thing right here is off-centered. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the length of both axles the same, and this, you can see that it's kind of offset to the left. I'm gonna figure that out eventually later. So my main goal is to center this whole assembly inside the body to make sure that everything's aligned, everything's equally measured, and so on. But I'm super excited how this thing turns out so far. Right now, it's almost where I want it, but I think I'm gonna raise the whole assembly up because this is apparently too low. If you'll include the wheel, because these are going to be probably 19s to fit the big brakes. So as of it is right now, it's sitting pretty high. So once I lift this up, I'm going to have the clearance that I want. Of course, in order to adjust the right height to kind of set it up where I need it to be, this will require me to have a wheel, at least one, to figure out what to do. Once I'll get the wheel, I'll install it and start setting the whole rear end up. So thanks everyone for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button and share it with your friends, and because I would highly appreciate it, because I just started my YouTube channel, and all of this work, it takes a lot of effort and takes a lot of time, and I would appreciate your support. Thank you very much again, and see you next time. Take care.